Good morning, dear children. In my previous video, I had told you about use of a scale and direction in map. Children, you all must have understood how do we read map. Today, I have taken few questions based on this topic that will help you to understand the concepts in better ways. So, let us take question number 1. Children, here you can see the map of 8 towns, and this is a unit that is used to draw this map. Okay, on the basis of this map you have to answer the following question. First one is, what is the distance Ranchi and Kolkata on map? Children, here Ranchi to Kolkata, you will cover the distance of 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So, on the map, Ranchi to Kolkata is 4 plus 2, that is 6 centimeter. Right? This distance is on the map. Now, a scale is given 1 centimeter is 20 kilometer. So, you can convert this distance in actual distance. Okay. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometers. So, 6 centimeter will be 20 multiplied by 6, that is 120 kilometer. So, the distance from Ranchi to Kolkata on map will be 120 kilometer. Now, look at the second question. Which of the following towns have the shortest road? Here, Kolkata and Ranchi. If you look here, this is Kolkata and this is Ranchi. From Ranchi to Howrah 4 centimeter and from Howrah to Kolkata 2 centimeter. So, you can say from Ranchi to Kolkata it is 6 centimeter. Bodh Gaya to Murugan, that is only 3 centimeter. Okay. And Patna and Begusarai, this is Patna and this is Begusarai. Between these two towns, the distance is 5 centimeter. And Howrah and Kolkata, children, this is Howrah and this is Kolkata. Between these two towns, the distance is 2 centimeter. So, which one is the shortest road? Obviously, Howrah and Kolkata is the shortest road, right? Now, third question is, which two towns will you cross while coming from Begusarai to Danapur? Children, here you can see this is Begusarai and this is Danapur. When you start from Begusarai, you will cross Bodh Gaya and Murugan to reach Danapur. So, this will be answer Bodh Gaya and Murugan. Okay. Now, let us see second question. This map is given in your book on page number 117. Okay. And this is a map of a area of a red fort. And children, scale is given here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. And on the basis of this map, you have to answer these questions. Which of these is nearer to river Yamuna, the Diwane Aam or Diwane Khas? Children, this is Diwane Aam and this is Diwane Khas and this is river Yamuna. Which distance is shorter? Obviously, from Diwane Khas, Yamuna river is nearer. So, the answer will be Diwane Khas. Now, second question is, between which two buildings is Aramgah? Children, this is Aramgah. Okay. And this building is Rang Mahal. And this building is Diwane Khas. If you see the detailed picture like this. Okay, this is Aramgah, and Aramgah lies between Diwan-e Khas. This is a Diwan-e Khas and this is a Rang Mahal. So the answer will be Diwan-e Khas and Rang Mahal. Now, which building do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to the Hammam? Children, if you start from Rang Mahal and goes to Hammam, which building you pass? Obviously you will pass Aramgah. So the answer will be Aramgah. Right? Now, which building on this map is farthest from the Meena Bazar? Here you can see this is Meena Bazar, and from this building which one is farthest? Children, here you can see all are nearer to Meena Bazar except Moti Masjid. So this one is the farthest from the Meena Bazar. Now, about how far is Lahori Gate from a Diwan-e Khas? Children, for that what you will do? You will take a scale and measure its distance, Diwan-e Khas to Lahori Gate. Okay. After measuring this distance on the scale, you will multiply it by 100 meter. Okay. So you will get the actual distance. Okay. Here, when I measure the distance between Lahori Gate and Diwan-e Khas, it comes 5 centimeter. As you all know, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. So 5 centimeter is equal to 500 meter. It means Lahori Gate is 500 meter far from Diwan-e Khas. Children, hope you all have understood this map also. Now let us see this map. This is a classroom map, and here you can see the position of different things: blackboard, display board, notice board, window, almirah, etc. Now, on the basis of this map, you have to answer that which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard. Children, this is blackboard, and opposite to the blackboard is display board. So obviously display board is right answer. Children, hope you all have understood how can we give answers on the basis of map. So do practice of these things. Thank you and have a good day.